Hello, students. Hope you are doing well. So, hello, students. Hope you are doing well. So, here is the next question for the same text. Um, so, the direction for the question says there is a passage below, which is accompanied by a set of questions. We need to choose the best answer to each question. Well, let's look into the question. Uh, I hope you understood the text, and I also presume that you have read the text thoroughly. Now, look into the question. What does the question point out here? Which of the following best summarizes the main idea of the passage? And here there are four options which have been provided. Let's look at the which one option gives the main idea of the text or summarizes the main idea of the passage. The first option point out life on earth emerged from a primordial stew, and the history of life is closely tied to earth's evolving environment. Now, if you look into the option one, where we talk about life on earth emerged from a primordial stew, and the history of life is closely tied to earth's evolving environment. Well, uh, option one lacks what? Lacks the emphasis on biodiversity, right? So emphasize on what? Emphasize on biodiversity, isn't it? And the specific mention of mass extinction, which are known as the what key aspect, and the specific mention of key aspect of the passage, right? Or you can say that the main idea of the passage goes beyond just the emergence of life, right? Uh, Now moving to the option two. Option two stated bacteria's survival strategy is a key factor or main factor in Earth's history, and their ability to extract hydrogen from water transformed the planet. Now, if you look into that, bacteria's survival strategy is a main factor in Earth's history, and there means bacteria's ability to extract hydrogen from water transformed the planet. Now, if I look into this, it doesn't actually encompass, right? It doesn't encompass what? You can say that the entire main of idea of the passage. The passage discusses more than just bacteria, right? Bacteria is a survival strategy, isn't it? So hence you would find out option two so stands incorrect. Option three, what does option three point out? The proliferation of life forms on Earth has been marked by periods of mass extinction and recovery, highlighting the importance of biodiversity. Now, this one talks about the biodiversity as well as the proliferation of life forms on Earth. So, in that case, you could say this could be the answer. But let's look at the last option, four. So, fourth option says Earth's complex adaptive system has been continually adjusting, allowing life to thrive and adapt, right? So, Earth's complex adaptive system, if you look into that, what about the history of life, right? The role of bacteria, mass extinction, and the importance of diversity, right? So, these are the things are not given in this. So, it is not as comprehensive as if you look into the option three, isn't it? So it is stated about complex adaptive system of the earth has been continually adjusting, allowing life to thrive and adapt in a means a very irrelevant manner. So it tests to the answer. So hence option four is not that appropriate as we find out in option three. Because if you observe the means, main idea of the text, so the main idea of the text is what? The main idea of the text is revolving around. So what is it? It revolves around the concept of earth, right? Concept of earth as a complex adaptive system where the interconnectedness of its oceans, right, atmosphere, and life forms that has led a continual process of what? Adaptation, adaptation, and also you could say evolution, isn't it? Adaptation and evolution. So the narrative traces the main milestone on Earth's history, from the emergence of the first cell to the development of oxygen producing organisms and the subsequent proliferation of life forms, right? So the text underscores the text underscores what? Underscores the significant, you could say that significance of diversity in ensuring the resilience of life, both in the past both in the past and you can say that present situation. In past, you would find out during the geological upheavals, geological upheavals, right? And in the present as a humanity faces challenges such as climate change, isn't it? So hence you would find out means option 3 makes the most appropriate or apt answer to the question, right? Which summarizes, right? So I hope you understood the text as well as the question's answer. That's all. Thank you.